So very good day, guys. So of the urinary system. So there are the three slides. First one is the kidney. The second will be the ureter and then urinary bladder. So here I have mounted on the microscope the slide of the ureter. कैसा दिख रहा है appearance इसका? It is the cross section of the ureter. Can anybody write here? How is the appearance? अगर इस फिगर्स को थोड़ा छोटा कर दो और ठीक है 3 to 4 times almost, so it will look like this. Because esophagus is having the longitudinal folds of the mucous membrane. Same here, the ureter. So this the ureter is having also the longitudinal folds of the mucous membrane. तो क्रॉस सेक्शन पे ऐसा फोल्ड दिखाई देगा. Got it? So now we'll see how is the layers of the ureter are there. So this is the cross section of the ureter. You can see these are the folds of the mucous membrane, longitudinal folds. You can see this. अब ये मैं अपना पॉइंटर देखो कहाँ से कहाँ ले जा रहा हूँ वहां तक नोटिस करना. This is apical part or luminal part up to here, basement membrane. So this much part is epithelium. अभी पोर्ट का जो कोर फॉर्म हो रहा है here, thin triangular part दिख रहा है. This is lamina propria. Then फिर ये जो thin layer यहाँ पे आ रहा है, this one, this is the submucosa. Submucosal layer here. This one. फिर बाद में जो larger part आ रहा है here, this is the muscular layer. So mucous membrane is consisting of the epithelium and the lamina propria. The second layer is the submucous layer, then muscle layer, and surrounding the muscle layer is the adventitial layer. The part of the ureter anteriorly exposed to the peritoneum will be having the serous layer, and the posterior part, which is not covered by the peritoneum, is having the only adventitial tissue. So here you can see the mucous membrane, the epithelium part is thick. Okay, compared to the other structure, it is thickened. So it is multi-layered. Okay. So near the basement membrane, it is having the single layer of the basal cell, and it is covered by here on the luminal side by the transitional cell. So this is known as the transitional epithelium. So why is it known as the transitional epithelium? Because when the urine is filled and it is distended, so say they are flattened. The cells are flattened basically on the apical. The superficial layer of the cell is getting flattened, but when it is empty, okay, there is no stress on the surface of the epithelium, so they are getting bulging. So this superficial cell present on here is having the bulging. Okay, it is known as the umbrella cell. Got it? So why this umbrella cell is present? Because this bulbous cell or umbrella cell, which is present on the superficial layer of the epithelium, so this is present to prevent the acidic urine. The urine कैसा रहता है? Basically acidic. ठीक है? So this acidic urine can damage the underlying cell. So for that, this umbrella cell is having some function to prevent the underlying cell from this acidic urine. Fine. From the cytotoxic effect of the hypertonic urine. So therefore, there is the presence of the specialized cell known as the umbrella cell. Okay. And this transitional epithelium, so this is only present in the pathway of the urine. So therefore, the epithelium is also known as the urothelium. So it is also present in the ureter and urinary bladder also. So just remember, अगर urothelium बोलेंगे तो याद रखना transitional epithelium. So already we have covered it under the epithelium. ठीक है? So just remember this. Lamina propria होगा. So these are the thin layer of the loose connective tissue then submucous, dense irregular connective tissue, and the muscle layer. The muscle is in the upper part. There are only two layers, but in the lower two-third, it is having the three layers: inner, middle, and the outer layer of the muscle. Okay, that is the oblique, longitudinal, and circular. So we'll see under the high power of the microscope. ये जो डार्क एरिया दिख रहा है, दिस इज होल एपिथेलियम. ये डार्केस्ट एरिया जो दिख रहा है यहाँ पे सुपरफिशियल में, तो दैट इज द लेयर ऑफ द अम्ब्रेला सेल. ठीक है. एंड दे आर, व्हाई आर दे आर डार्कर? बिकॉज दे आर सीक्रेटिंग सम द मेम्ब्रेनस प्रोटीन्स. दीज आर नोन एज द यूरोप्लाकिन्स. ठीक है. तो दीज आर हेल्पिंग in the from the hypertonic urine to be get entering or to be come in contact with the underlying cells. Okay, so that is the specialization of this umbrella cells around this, and the lower cells, these are the transitional. So these cells become 5 to 6 layer when they are empty, means there is no stress. When there is a stress from the urine, they become 3 to 4 layers only, means they are getting flattened. Okay, so layer of the cell changes depending on the pressure from inside. Got it? So these are the epithelial layer. This is the lamina propria and the blood vessel, lymphatics, and the nerve. Then submucosa and the muscle layer. You can clearly see the smooth muscle layer. And outermost is the adventitial layer. Okay, so any doubt in narrator? So thank you very much. Goodbye.